bananas, top bananas, top bananas, most bananas, most bananas.
What comes next?
Bananas, 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 banana.
Yay!
Oh,
You dropped a grape?
yeah.
Oh no. Let me help you find it. Oh, it's still all the way down there. Oh well, we'll get it when we get it. Okay? Do you want to do the song again?
No.
All done?
Baby, did the it's a amazing.
Cute.
Banana, bananas, top banana, most bananas, most bananas, eight bananas, eight bananas, bananas.
Yay!
Cereal, ideal, and while you cut it down, they have a bike, put it fish, or they don't want that is sure good. Take your pool bear, bye.
Bye bye.
Bye, bye.
Yay!
Yay!
So do you open and shut them?
Open and tap. Open and tap. Tap, tap, tap. Open and tap. Open and tap.
Put them in your
Tap, tap, tap. No.
them crawl, keep them crawl, right up to your
Ting, ting, ting.
open wide, your little mouth. But you don't put them in. What other song do I sing?
I know. ABC.
Okay, that's pretty good. Ready?
I don't.
Okay, you do it.
Mommy don't.
Mommy do it. Let me sing with you.
A, B, C, D, E, F.
G.
No,
No.
I don't.
Okay, you do it.
I don't.
Okay.
I don't.
Are you all done singing? Boy, you sang lots of good songs.
Yay, Rebecca! What a songbird.
I know, A, B, oops. I know Baba.
You do? You can sing Baba?
And Baba Kim.
Baba's in your crib?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I miss Baba too.
You miss Baba blanket?
Yeah.
Yeah, you haven't seen Baba since your nap today.
I miss Baba too, a little baby.
And Dora and baby?
A baby Gagasalas. A baby happy.
On the airplane?
Yeah.
Did she come on the airplane?
Yeah.
Who else came on the airplane?
Mommy, Daddy, Becca.
Oh, what did you do on the airplane?
Kyle.
You colored?
Yeah.
What else did you do?
Baby, sick baby.
You played with baby? Did you watch TV?
Yeah.
Yeah, what did you wear in your ears?
It was
Who did we go to see?
that.
And who else?
Anna.
Yeah. Where do they live?
In my house.
They live in your house. They live in their own house. Where do they live? We live in Kelowna. Where do they live?
Otto.
Toronto. And where does Becca live?
BC Canada.
BC, Canada. Yeah.
Or BC Canada.
Kelowna, BC, Canada. Yeah, you're right.
You are too much, kiddo.
My kids.
All right, Becca, can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye bye.
Adios.
Adios.